Now, we are going to discuss difficult words and new terms of lesson number 11, transportation in animal and plants. Now, we will discuss the difficult words or the keywords of the lesson along with their meanings and sentences. The first word is ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent smell which dissolves in water to give a strongly alkaline solution. It could be used in the sentence like ammonia has a very powerful and distinctive smell. Next word is artery. Any of the muscular wall tube forming part of the circulation system by which blood is conveyed from the heart to all parts of the body. It could be used in the sentence like the aorta is the main artery that carries blood with oxygen out of the heart to the body. Next word is blood vessels. Blood vessels are tabular structures carrying blood through the tissue and organs, or we can say vein, artery, or capillary. It could be used in the sentence like blocks in the blood vessel can cause a heart attack or stroke. The next word is capillary. Any of the fine branching blood vessel that form a network between the artery and veins. These are tiny blood vessels which connect the arteries and veins. It could be used in the sentence like the blood bypasses the capillaries and tissues and returns to the heart. Next is circulatory system. The system that circulates blood and lymph through the body, consisting of the heart, blood vessel, blood, lymph, and the lymphatic vessels and glands. We can use it in the sentence like the blood flow through the circulatory system of an organ. The next word is dialysis. It is the clinical purification of blood as a substitute for the normal function of the kidney. We can use it in the sentence like he has been on dialysis for the past 3 years. Next word is excretion. It is a process of eliminating or expelling waste matter in living organisms and cells. We can use it in sentence like excretion is one of the several activities common to both plants and animals. Next word is excretory system. It is a system that excrete waste from the body. We can use it in the sentence like exercise stimulates the digestive and excretory system. Next word is hemoglobin. It is a red protein responsible for transporting oxygen in the blood of animals. We can use it in the sentence like low count in hemoglobin can cause iron deficiency. Next we have heartbeat. It means a complete pulsation of the heart. We can use it in the sentence like the doctor monitored patient's heartbeat and blood pressure. The next word is kidneys. each of a pair of organs in the abdominal cavity of mammals, birds, and reptiles that excrete urine. It could be used in the sentence like, he was being treated for kidney failure. The next word for us is phloem. Phloem is the vascular tissue in plants which conduct sugar and other metabolic products downwards from the leaves. It could be used in the sentence like, phloem is a specialized tissue for food transport in higher plants. Next we have plasma. Plasma is the clear, straw-colored, or we can say yellow-colored liquid portion of the blood that remains after red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets, and other cellular components are removed. It could be used in the sentence like, plasma consists of positive ions and unbound electrons. Next is platelets, a small, colorless, disc-shaped cell without a nucleus found in large numbers in blood and involved in clotting. It could be used in a sentence like, platelets are responsible for normal blood clotting. The next is pulse, a rhythmical throbbing of the arteries as blood is propelled through them, typically as felt in the wrist or neck. We can use it in the sentence like, the doctor felt her pulse on her wrist. Next is red blood cell, a type of blood cell that contain a protein called hemoglobin, which contains oxygen. We can use it in the sentence like, anemia can be caused by destruction or reduced red blood cell production. Next is root hair, a hair-like outgrowth of a plant root that absorbs water and minerals from the soil. We can use it in the sentence like, the root hair grow out from the cells. The next word we have is stethoscope. It is a medical instrument for listening to the action of someone's heart or breathing. It could be used in the sentence like, lungs problems are not always audible with a stethoscope. The next word is sweat. It means moisture exuded through the pores of the skin, typically in profuse quantity as a reaction to heat, physical exertion, fever, or fear. It could be used in the sentence like, she wiped the sweat from her face. The next we have is tissue. It is a distinct type of material of which animals or plants are made, consisting of specialized cells and their products. It could be used in the sentence like, each muscle in your body is composed of muscle tissue. The next word we have is urea, a colorless crystalline compound which is the main nitrogenous breakdown product of protein metabolism in mammals and is excreted in urine. It could be used in the sentence like, urea naturally breaks down into ammonia in the water. Next word is ureter. It is the duct by which urine passes from the kidney to the bladder. It could be used in the sentence like, the bladder has three ways out, the urethra and the two ureters. The next word we have is urethra. It is the duct by which urine is conveyed out of the body from the bladder and which in male vertebrates also conveys semen. It could be used in the sentence like, the urethra originates at the neck of the bladder. Now, the next word is uric acid, an almost insoluble compound which is a breakdown product of nitrogenous metabolism. It is the main excretory product in birds, reptiles, and insects. It could be used in the sentence like, only 1/3 of uric acid in the body comes from diet. Next is urinary bladder. It is a hollow muscular organ in humans and other vertebrates that stores urine from the kidneys. It could be used in the sentence like, the urinary bladder usually holds 300 to 350 ml of urine. Next word is vein. It is a tube-like structure forming part of the blood circulation system of the body, carrying, in most cases, oxygen-depleted blood towards the heart. It could be used in the sentence like, the surgeon performed a section on the vein. The next we have is white blood cell, circular component of blood that helps defend the body against infection. It could be used in the sentence like, the reduction in white blood cell counts lower resistance to disease. Next is xylem. It is a vascular tissue in plant which conducts water and dissolved nutrients upward from the root and also helps to form the woody element in the stem. It could be used in the sentence like, without xylem, the plant would have no tissue to bring nutrients. The next and the last word for the lesson is blood. It is red liquid that circulates in the arteries and veins of humans and other animals, carrying oxygen to and carbon dioxide from the tissue of the body. It could be used in the sentence like, the heart pumps blood round the body. I hope now you can understand the difficult words as well as the keywords of the lesson.